Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to film a very quick video. I want to put some of my lip products on a chopping block because I feel like I have some products that I will not use and it is a shame to have them in my collection. Maybe I could pass them to friends or something like that. If you want to see my whole makeup collection, I just filmed a makeup inventory and these are not actually all my glosses. I have others in purses and stuff like that, but I know for a fact that I don't want to declutter any of those. So let's start with these very fast. I have the Natasha Denona My Dream Gloss or something like that. Yes, I'm not gonna declutter. This is one of my favorites. Then the Nivea one, similar to that, I absolutely adore this one. Next we have the Essence What the Fake. This is a really good plumping gloss from the drugstore. I really like it. I'm gonna keep it. Then this one is the Melt and Shine from Catrice. It is a lip balm with a bit of color. Is not the best product out there, but I do like it enough to keep it in my collection. I think I will put it in a purse and I will use it up that way. Then we have the Maybelline Plump lip gloss. This is really nice. It has some shimmer, but because the shimmer is pretty small, I really like it on the lips. And as you can see, I am more than half done with this one. Is a really good one from the drugstore. This is Milky Gloss from NYX. Again, this is going nowhere, is one of my favorites. This one is pretty new in my collection and again it has some shimmers. This is the Golden Glimmer Gloss from Natasha Denona. The shimmers are very small, so I do like this one and it is plumping as well. I really enjoy it. Then another very shimmery gloss is the Kiko one. This one smells incredible, like cookies and cream. And I do like this one, even though it has a lot of shimmers. They are, I don't know, the color works with these shimmers. I really like it, so I'm gonna keep this one as well. Then I would like to put this one in the chopping block. I know that I'm almost done with it, first of all, so I will force myself to use it up, but I don't like it. It is the Fenty Hologram lip gloss. The formula is nice as usual with the Fenty glosses, but it's just too shimmery and a bit cooler toned. So I'm gonna try my best to finish it up, but I will put it in the chopping block for now. Another one that I will put in the chopping block is the Butter Gloss Bling. I want to use it a bit more, but I need to force myself to use this one. I don't know why I purchased this one. I was just curious about the formula and everything, but I know that shimmery glosses are not for me, and as you can see I have more than enough, and this is very blingy, so yeah, this will be in the chopping block as well. I'm almost done with this one. It is the Dark Plump from NYX. I absolutely love it. It is the best prepping the lips gloss because it is plumping and it's just smoothing the lines and everything. It's perfect. I really love it. I will repurchase it after I'm done. It's just great. Then I have the lip glaze from House Labs. This is in Cocoa, a very beautiful brown, but it is very wearable and I really like it, so I'm gonna keep this one as well. And lastly I have the ABH gloss. It is a decent gloss, not my absolute favorite one, but I will keep it. Let's talk about lip liners because I want to declutter one or two from here. So first of all I have the pink one from Kiko. Let's swatch it. It's not my favorite formula, but it is okay. I maybe will declutter it if I have a very similar pink one, but let's see. Then I'm gonna keep for sure the red one because it's my only red and I would like to have at least one, and this formula from Nabla is just great, so I'm gonna keep this one for sure. Then I have the ABH in Hazelnut. This one, it is a beautiful stunning nude. I absolutely love this formula and this color, so it's a keep for sure. I forgot about the Viv one. This is a brown, so let's swatch it because I know that I will declutter a brown or two. This is a great formula, but this pencil is getting old and it is just too dark for my lips, so let's see the other browns and I will just decide. The other brown that I love is the NYX one, and this is a bit lighter and a bit warmer, so it is a bit more wearable, so I think I will keep this one, and I think I will put the Viv one in the chopping block. If you are following my project pen, you know that this is in the project pen, so yeah, I think I will use it in the month of September a bit more, and then it needs to go. I think it's just not a great color for me. Then I have the e.l.f. one that I absolutely love. It is a light pinky shade and it's a bit lighter than the Kiko one, and because I am almost done with it, I think I will keep both of them. And that's what I think. Let's swatch actually the Nabla one, because I think it is similar. That one, it's a bit more mauvey. I think I will keep all three of them because they are decently similar, and these two are so tiny and I absolutely love these two. I want to finish them up, so because of that I'm gonna keep all three. Then I have another nude from NYX in the Line Loud formula. This is stunning. I feel like I just purchased it. It is the shade No Equivalent, but as you can see, it is pretty small. I really like this formula. This is the swatch. I'm gonna keep this one as well. And lastly, another one that I think I will declutter, it is the Too Faced one. It's just a very dark brown shade. This is the Too Faced one, and this is the Viv that I just decluttered. They are pretty dark, and this packaging is getting pretty messy, and even though I do like this formula, the shade is just too dark, so I will put it in the chopping block. And then we have lipsticks. First of all, we have the Smooth Whip from NYX. This is the shade Memory Foam, and it is a very dark shade, but it is my favorite brown. It's just so stunning. It's a very unique shade and I absolutely love the formula, so I'm gonna keep this one. Then a very luxurious packaging and a very stunning nude. It's this one. I'm keeping it for sure. It is the Viv in the shade 90s. Love the packaging, love the shade. It's a keep for sure. Then I need to consider if I want to declutter this or not. It is the Makeup Forever in the shade Toffee at All Hours. It is a nude, but it is very matte, and right now I don't love matte liquid lipsticks. It's just, in the past these formulas were my favorites. Right now I like a bullet matte lipstick if I want something a bit more matte, so I think I will put this one in the chopping block as well. Then I have the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. I think I'm gonna keep this one, even though it is still matte and everything, but I do like the shade better. It's a very pinky, neutrally shade, and this formula is a bit thinner, so I find it a bit more comfortable, so I think I will keep this one, like I said. Then we have the beautiful red from Rare Beauty. I don't know what to do with the red shades because I kept the red lip liner, but this is so bright. I need to swatch the other reds. This one from NYX I think I'm gonna put in the chopping block because even though the formula is, like I said, really great, this shade is Parfait. I wore this one in a video recently and I just didn't like it. It is a red with some pink undertones. I don't even wear red that often, and this is for sure not my favorite shade, so I will put this one in the chopping block. And the other red shade that I have, it is this from Nabla. This one is like a terracotta red, and it is a bullet, so I prefer that kind of formula, and it's just a very wearable red. So what do? I think I will keep only the Nabla one and put in the chopping block the Rare Beauty one. I will use it one more time just to convince myself that I don't need it, but I really don't wear browns and I don't wear red lipstick, so there is no point in me having something this bright, and this is just stunning and a formula that I really love, so yeah, I'm gonna keep this one, of course. Then I have the Revlon that is similar to the MAC one. I absolutely love this one. It's like a glossy lipstick. It's stunning and the shade is gorgeous. I'm keeping it for sure, and I will swatch the MAC one just close to it so you can see that they are very similar. Of course I'm keeping this one as well. It is just a formula that I really enjoy, something with a pigment but very glossy and beautiful. Then we have two that are pretty matte. I have the Maybelline one. Where to swatch it? Let's put it right here. It is a very pinky shade. I like the formula and everything, but it is a bit too matte. Let's swatch the House Labs. I think from these two I would keep the House Labs just because I like the formula better, I like the shade better, and the packaging and everything. This is the one from House Labs and this is the Maybelline one. I think they are very similar, but yeah, I prefer something more on the nude side, so I think I will put this one in the chopping block as well. And lastly we have the Click Stick from NYX. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Of course I'm keeping this one, it is a beautiful shade. I have in here the shade link in my bio. Beautiful shade, and again it is that glossy stunning formula that I really enjoy, so this is going nowhere. And these are all the products that I'm gonna put in the chopping block. There are actually 8 products, so I didn't expect really to put this many in the chopping block, but like I said, I will use some of these at least one more time before decluttering them for sure. The glosses, I think maybe they will stay a bit longer even, but overall these are products that I'm not using. I don't like them, I don't enjoy using them, so yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.